So here's how to add Stripe to your Shopify store. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the end and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your Shopify account. Once you are logged into your Shopify account, now here you have to simply scroll down and go to the settings option. Once you are in the settings of your store, now here you have to simply change your current location. After that, here you have to simply click on the payments option, and after that now you have to click on the choose a provider option. Now here you have to simply search for the Stripe, and after that you will be able to view the Stripe option, and then you have to add the details. Once you added the details of your Stripe account, now you have successfully added Stripe to your Shopify store. So that's how to add Stripe to your Shopify store.